This conference will now be recorded.
So now in this case, when coming to the waiter is working like as a mediator between both the people. So that means it's nothing but a web service which is providing the communication between the two disparate systems. Okay, which is providing the communication between the two disparate systems, so that it is going to be translating the information into a common format which can be understandable by both the parties. For that reason, web services are purely transferring the information in the form of either XML or JSON or HTML. So from these three, JSON is the most useful. Okay, the JSON is the most useful one, which is very lightweight, which is human readable format. Each and every application, each and every mobile application, smartphones, everything is going to supporting JSON format nowadays. JSON format is the most useful one. We'll see what exactly the JSON format, how to represent the information. We'll see as part of JSON also. JSON also will discuss as part of this integration. Now, so in this case, so now for that reason, we are going to be implementing the web services. Web services are going to be providing the communication between the two disparate systems. Whatever the two different applications are available to provide the communication between these two different applications, we are using the help of the web services. Now, web services. That information. What it contains basically. Now let me give this information. The web services are the custom business logics. Custom business logics. Okay, custom business logic classes which can be accessible from the third-party systems, party applications. Finance applications, insurance applications, etc. Custom which is used to provide some business logic which can be accessible from the third-party applications. Now, in this case, what we can do that by using web services, we can expose the business logic, data and functionalities to the third-party applications. That means we can able to expose the business logics and the data and the functionalities to the third-party application. That means from one system to another system we can able to expose. Now, so web services will make the multiple disparate systems can communicate with each other. In order to exchange the information. Exchange the data or business logic or functionalities. Now, in this case here, when coming to the web services are purely platform independent. Okay, these are purely platform independent. That means, so we can develop the web service by using any programming language. We no need to bother about that. web services may be developed by using any programming language, but it is providing the communication between the multiple systems. And that too, this web service are going to be supporting all the programming languages, all the technologies, and then all the operating systems, all the databases also. Because these are going
Feroz,
to be
your
using a common format. Okay, these are using some common format in order to exchange the data. Now, so now here in this case, when coming to the web services are purely language independent. Now, web services are purely platform independent and language independent. These are purely platform independent and the language independent. Then how can we build these web services here? Okay, how can we build the web services? The web services. We have two types of web services. The first one, RESTful web services. These are also based web services. Based web services. Now, to be building the web services, we have two types of web services are available. First one, RESTful web services. Second one, SOAP-based web services. Now, we have the below two types of web services. First one, REST-based web services. These are also called as RESTful web services. Second one, SOAP-based web services. SOAP-based web services. These are the two types of web services are available as part of Apex program. First one, RESTful. Second one, SOAP-based. REST-based web services, SOAP-based web services. Two types of web services are available over. Now, then what exactly the RESTful web services? First, we'll see the RESTful web services. REST-based web services. How can we implement the REST-based web services? Now let's see. First of all, we have to understand what exactly the full form of REST. REST stands for the representational state transfer. REST stands for representational state transfer. Then what exactly the RESTful web service is? Now let's see. Basically, REST is an architectural style. Okay, REST is an architectural style which is used to prepare some business logics and which can be consuming.
No, your voice is breaking up.
Feroz, he's cutting up a lot.
Yeah, since last 20 minutes we are not able to hear properly and cutting up.
The internet. Over the internet, any third-party application can access
Feroz, you are cutting up a lot. We are losing you.
over the internet through with the help of HTTP protocol.
Feroz, we
Feroz,
cannot hear you.
We cannot hear you.
Feroz,
Send a message everyone in the
So
chat.
REST is an architectural style. Okay, REST is an architectural style which internally.
I was about to say that maybe he's not